I was having some problems with a 1200 watt Ebikeling controller. It was giving a real rough start up. I got a little sandpaper here. It's 120 grit. I'm going to try to wrap a little piece around a nice little eraser. So I kind of want it precise. I just wanted to kind of work a little area. Take a continuity man. Hot glue gun. I'm just going to drip a little bit of that. Just let it settle right over top, just to kind of insulate the three apart. All right, well, thanks for watching.